Good morning, student. MCQs are continue topic, continuity, and differentiation. Question number 1: if fx is 3 sin pi x upon 5x when x is not equal to 0, and it is 2k when x equal to 0, is continuous at x equal to 0, then the value of k is pi by 10, 3 pi by 10, 3 pi by 2, and 5 pi by 3 pi by 5. Now, since function is continuous, therefore, limiting value of the function is value of the function. Means limit x tends to 0, fx equal to f0. Here 3 limit x tends to 0 sin pi x upon 5x equal to 2k. Then it is 3 by 5 limit x tends to 0 sin of pi x upon pi x into pi equal to 2k. Now this limit is 1, there is a standard limit theta tends to 0, sin theta upon theta is 1. So therefore this limit is 1. So 3 by 5 into 1 into pi equal to 2k, and k equal to 3 pi by 10. So k equal to 3 pi upon 10, and B option is correct. Student, now question number 2: if fx equal to ax plus 3 when x is less than equal to 2, and it is a square x minus 1 when x is greater than 2, then the value of a for which function is continuous for all values of a. Since function is continuous, at x equal to 2, therefore left hand limit equal to right hand limit, and limit x tends to 2, function at left is ax plus 3 equal to limit x tends to 2, it is a square x minus 1. Then it is 2a plus 3 equal to 2a square minus 1. Now we will write it. It is 2a square minus 2a minus 4 equal to 0. Shifting all the term to the left side, to the right hand side. So we will get this. Now 2 common, so it is a square minus a minus 2 equal to 0. Now 2 1 2, a square minus 2a plus a minus 2 equal to 0. From this we will get two values of a equal to 2 and a equal to minus 1. So the value is minus 1 and 2, and C option is correct. So now next is question number 3. Discuss the continuity of the function fx equal to sin 2x minus 1 at the point x equal to 0 and x equal to pi. See, given function is sin 2x minus 1. Since sin function is a continuous in everywhere, it is like a wave function. So it is sin 2x. It is like a wave. So sine function is continuous and differentiable everywhere. And there is a minus 1. Minus 1 is a constant function. So the sine 2x minus 1 is also continuous everywhere. Since sine 2x minus 1 is continuous everywhere, there is a logic like fx minus gx is a function like capital Fx. Fx is continuous everywhere, gx is continuous everywhere, fx equal to sine 2x and gx equal to 1. It is constant function. Constant function is continuous everywhere, and sine 2x is also continuous everywhere. Their difference is also continuous everywhere. Hence, this function is continuous everywhere. Therefore, it is continuous at x equal to 0 and x equal to pi, and A option is correct. Still now, next question 4. If fx equal to log x upon x minus 1, if x is not equal to 1, is continuous at x equal to 1, then the value of k, here there is a k when x equal to 1. So since function is continuous, therefore its a limiting value, limit x tends to 1, log x upon x minus 1 equal to k. Now let x minus 1 equal to y. Then x tends to 1 and y tends to 0. And it is limit y tends to 0, x equal to 1 plus y. Log 1 plus y upon y equal to k. Then this is a standard limit. This value is 1 equal to k. Therefore, C option is correct. So now, question number 5. The point of discontinuity of 10x are. Student, 10x is not defined when there is a odd multiple of pi by 2. So since 10 odd multiple of pi by 2, 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 is infinity, not defined. So discontinuity of the function is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, and C option is correct. Question number 6. At x equal to 3 by 2, the function fx is mod 2x minus 3 upon 2x minus 3 is. We can write it fx is mod x minus 3 by 2 upon x minus 3 by 2. So let us find the left hand limit. At this point, the limit x tends to 3 by 2 minus h and h tends to 0. It is mod 3 by 2 minus h minus 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 minus h minus 3 by 2. This cancel. There is plus h upon minus h equal to minus 1. So left hand limit is minus 1. Similarly, we will find right hand limit. It is limit x tends to 3 by 2 plus h and h tends to 0. It is mod 3 by 2 plus h minus 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus h minus 3 by 2. It's cancel. So it is h upon h, which is equal to 1. Since left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit at x equal to 3 by 2. Therefore, function is discontinuous at x equal to 3/2. And B option is correct. Since it is not continuous, though it cannot be differentiable also. Next, question number 7. If fx equal to x upon 1 plus x and gx is f of fx, then find f dash x. So here gx equal to f of fx. So we can write it is f of fx. Fx is x upon 1 plus x. Then again f is defined like that. So let it is y, then it is y upon 1 plus y. Y is x upon 1 plus x divided by 1 upon x upon 1 plus x. Then 1 plus x is common. X upon 1 plus x. From denominator take 1 plus x as LCM. So 1 plus x is cancelled out. Then gx equal to x upon 1 plus x, 1 plus 2x. Now we will find its derivative. G dash x. It is, apply the quotient rule here. It is. Now question number 8. In question number 7, D option is correct. Here, sin x plus y equal to log x plus y. Differentiate it. Derivative of sin x is cos x plus y. Then it is 1 plus dy over dx is equal to derivative of log x is 1 upon 1 plus x, and it is 1x plus y. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x, so it is 1 upon x plus y plus 1 plus dy over dx. Now here 1 plus dy over dx is common. Therefore cos x plus y minus 1 upon 1 upon x plus y equal to 0. Since cos x plus y minus 1 upon x plus y cannot be 0, therefore dy over dx equal to minus 1. And D option is correct here.